Hello everyone, welcome back to another question from series of 30 Days of Pandas in LeetCode. And today we are going to solve the nth highest salary. Uh, what the question wants us to find is find the nth highest distinct, specifically distinct salary from the employee table. The employee table contains ID column and salary column. And if there are less than n distinct salary, we should return null. Just we should consider that what it wants is the specific format for output. So we need a data frame with this as a name of column, with n as an input, the number 2, for example, and then the value for the nth distinct. Or in case we don't have it, we simply return null, like the example. To do this, first we create a updated data frame of the employee. What we do is we take the employee data frame, and as a first step I want to drop duplicates, and the subset that I want to drop the duplicate is the salary. That's the column that I'm looking for. And what I want to keep is, for example, for here, it's the first. As the next step, what we do is we sort the values, because we need to have the sorted values for the nth highest distinct salary. And what we do is that we take the salary and sort by the salary, and also what I want to do is the ascending false. Then I have the highest salary at the beginning, and the nth highest is returned directly from the data frame that I have. And also what I want to keep is salary, because if you take a look at the example here, what we return is not an ID, but just the number that we have. Now, what we need to do is that if the n as the input is higher than the len of the employee that I'm returning as a new version of the employee that I have, we need to return the null value. And in order to do that, we create the data frame, and the data frame that I will have should have this name of the column. I will copy paste it here, and here this should be the n, and then I will return none. And if that's not the case, I have nth highest salary, which would be the employee that I like n-1, because we go from the top and it starts from the 0, so 0, 1, 2 until the n-1. So the second highest is actually the first input, so n-1 is for that. And then we return pd.dataframe. For the column, again, I use this input, and this time I will return the nth highest salary. Let's see. Okay, so there is a problem here. Yeah, because the data frame take a dictionary. I believe I'm mistaken here for both cases. and C. Okay, for this case it returns as it's expected. For case 2, as it's expected. And let's submit. And we have -1 that has the problem. So then what we need to do, or n is 0. Okay. And that's it. So I didn't consider that the first at the beginning that n could be as an input lower than equal lower than 0, and if that's the case we cannot clearly take that as a nth highest. Maybe by the type of the question it doesn't make sense to give this input, but that's a test case and we cover it by adding this value. Thank you very much. If there is any question, please submit it in comments and I will answer. And you can support me by liking this video or simply subscribing to my channel. Thank you very much.